Hi there, hope you're doing great. This is Ehsan. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the minimum threshold for your pool payment. As you know, the Ethereum merge is just around the corner. You may want to change the coin that you mine, and it's much better to clear out your pool. So we're gonna do it together on the Hive OS. So let's go and do it together. For that, you're gonna go to your farm. On the farm, you're gonna see this section. This is your payout and unpaid amount. When you click on it, this page will open for you, and for you seeing more settings and the information about this wallet, you have to click on view on Hivepool. As you see, all the settings is here. If you have active or inactive device, it's gonna show it all for you here. You want to head over payout settings, change the settings here. It's gonna need to verify you if that's you the owner of the rig. And for that, it's gonna ask for your IP address. You can find the public IP address of your worker here. Click on the worker, click on it. On the bottom here, you will see the IP address of the worker, remote IP address. You just press this one. It's gonna copy it to the clipboard, and then you're gonna head back to this website, paste it here, and show the setting. Ta-da! You will see all the settings. The minimum payout of the Hive pool is zero point 0.2 Ethereum. And with this minimum, Hivepool will be the one to shoulder the gas fee. However, Hivepool has an option for lowering this amount, and you will be the one to shoulder the gas fee. For that, you have to choose this option, lower this amount. The minimum is 0.0025 Ethereum. In this section, you can choose what gas fee you are willing to pay. The lower the gas fee, the lower the amount that it's gonna charge you for transaction. However, it may take longer processing that transaction. Sometimes it may never process it because your limit gas fee is just so low. So I suggest choose something reasonable, something maybe here, which is 21 as of now. If I say 21, that's gonna cost me 70 cents for this transaction. After that, you have to check box this one that you agree to paying the gas fee. If you press save change, it's gonna save and you're gonna receive your Ethereum with the next cycle morning around 10 a.m. Or you can just check it in their website. To keep in mind, if you don't do this and keep on mining until the last bitter moment, after the merge, you have to contact the support for the minimum and making the payment to your wallet because after the merge, you may not be able to connect to any network. And based on that, you won't be able to get any IP address. So you need contacting the support is one way on their website. I think they have a support here, somewhere here. And another way is just in their Discord. They are so quick and fast to respond on the Discord. Make sure that's a correct Discord and make sure you don't share any other information with anybody else. There's a lot of scammers out there. Hope you have a good one. I will appreciate your sub or like or both of them.